How to fix Pinterest messages not working 2023. Hi guys, so in this video, I'll teach you how to fix Pinterest messages not working 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really quick and simple, so let's go. So what you can do is to head over to your Play Store and make sure that your Pinterest app is updated. Now once you can see that it's updated, you can click on the open right here. And if your messages isn't still working, what you need to do is just uninstall Pinterest. So long press Pinterest, click on uninstall and uninstall it. Now that you have uninstalled it, head over to your browser, create a new tab, then from in there just search for Pinterest old version. Now click on this first link right here, and then scroll down. In here you can see Pinterest versions from old version, so you can just choose any one of them. For me, I'll choose this one right here, the 11.22.0, and then I can just click on it, and then this will load or redirect me to the download page of this specific version. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Pinterest messages not working. If you have questions, comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.